Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be looking at reed switch. So basically, if you bring a magnet close to this switch, it will either close the switch or open the switch. I believe there are two versions to this. One is where it is normally closed, so when you bring a magnet close to it, it will open the circuit and the circuit will have no power. The other version is normally open, so when you bring a magnet close to the switch, it will close the switch and the circuit will have power, meaning it will turn on the circuit. So let's dive into it and see how to use this sensor. So I'm going to use Arduino Uno, there's no difference. And for the sensor, there are 3 pins, negative, positive 5 volt is the middle pin, and this is the sensor pin to read the switch or the sensor. So let's wire it. I'm going to use pin 3 for the sensor, ground, and 5 volt for the sensor. And I'm also going to turn on a LED with the switch. So to turn on, I'll be using pin 2. So for the LED, it has a ground pin, and I'm going to turn on the red light. And this sensor 2 will go to the red light pin. And now for the sensor. My green is for sensor pin, blue is for 5 volt, and this dark purple is for ground. So here green pin goes to green pin here, blue goes to red, and dark purple goes to ground. So now let's look at the code. So I'm going to read the read switch from pin 2. Sorry, so I made a mistake here. Read switch is pin 2, which is the green wire, and the LED is pin 3. Okay, now, so the red LED will be pin 3. So we are going to read from the read switch and then turn on the red pin. So here we are going to read the switch. So if the state is low, my LED will turn on, and if it's low, if it is high, it will turn off. So why is it opposite? My sensor is normally closed, so in this case I only want to turn on the LED when there's any magnetic presence felt by the sensor. So let's upload it. Okay, so since mine is normally closed, it is showing a high state of 1. So let's bring a magnet close to it. So here you can see that the LED is on when it is open here. And now let's remove it and turn on the LED again. So this is read switch.